Hello everyone, this is Vijay here. As I have visited many classes in second year and third year, I told you about this paper presentation, projects and other things. So as of now, we have got a lot of events coming like technical paper presentation, like we have Avalon in our college and other fest which have this technical paper presentation. So a lot of students who are coming to me for this how to write the technical paper. So I'll be just discussing this. If you have already met me, I have told you all this, but still people who have not met me, I'll be just explaining the process, how we write a paper, how we do a basic paper, basic research paper that you can include in your profile. So actually there are three types of papers, three or four types of papers, but research papers. But in this, for second year people, I will always advise that you should write a review paper. That is a literature survey paper. In review paper, actually what happens in that you have to review a technology. You can take any topic, any technology which you want to study, and you have to write all the stuff in your own language. That's it. That's the thing. So how you go with it, I'll just explain in very brief way. So if you want to do a review paper, first you have to do what you have to select a topic, whichever whatever you want to, like whatever you are studying. Like suppose you are in second year and you are studying some MOSFET or something, like anything whichever, like electronics you are studying. So you can take anything whatever you're studying, you can take that, or you can put any technology in the space, and you can just go to internet, or you can go to IEEE Explore. There you can search the topic and you can just find out the papers available. So the first process in writing a review paper is that you have to first get the papers which are already on that topic. Means you have to first find out the references. The first procedure you do is the finding the references. So first you have to go to IEEE Explore or internet, whatever you want, right? You can go over there and you can just put your topic over there and just see what the results are. So uh, you can go over there and you can download all the references. You can just read on them, read all of them, and just find out if they are giving you the whole if you they are giving the whole information in that particular all of that technology, right? So means those all papers you are going to refer in your paper, in your research paper. So suppose you are done with the reference paper, you got 10 reference papers first of all. After that you read all of them. After reading all of them, then you will start with your paper, right? So what the actually there are few, what do you say, uh, there is a format, actually IEEE format is available over there. You can search in Google, you can put IEEE format. I think I have already shared it on groups. So what happens in that, actually it is a two column format. That is like you need to write at least 4 pages in that. So in that, how it goes, first of all you have title, and then you have to, first it will start with abstract. First you write down all abstract of your paper or of your technology, whatever you are reviewing. You just put down what you're gonna do in this paper, what you're gonna write in this paper, right? So that's the abstract. So you write the abstract of the paper, right? You can just refer the abstract of the references which you have downloaded, right? So by seeing that, you can understand what kind of language or what technical, the way they present, the way they write the abstract, right? You can just understand that from those papers. So write your abstract first of all, and then in the finishing lines you can just put what you're gonna do exactly, right? Putting some introduction, and then in abstract only, I'm telling, I'm not going ahead. In abstract only, you can just put what is your technology and what you're gonna do in this paper, what you're going to present in this. That's it. Then there are keywords. So you have to write few keywords, like suppose if your paper is on big data, so your big data, Hadoop, and something like whatever keyword related to that. After keywords, then start with the first section, that is introduction, right? So in introduction, what you have to write is introduction about the technology, whatever is your topic. According to that, you have to write down. You can refer to the introductions available in other papers as you've done for abstract. So you can one by one, you can You can just, or you can just gather up all the facts as an introduction, a good introduction. Don't copy the words, right? Don't copy exact words from other people. Just you can write in your own language. That's it. That's more important, right? And if you are referring to any fact, or if you are referring to anything, like suppose some fact is given like 10.5% of this technology, or this percentage is available, or any technical fact is available. If you are going to if you are referring to that, if you are writing in that in paper, just mention over there, right? You can just put down in bracket, you can put down reference number 1. When you end the sentence, then after the sentence you can write down it is from reference 1 or reference 2 or reference 3. So never write facts as it is. You just have to put the reference number, right? That defines that it's not you have not found out that fact, right? So it's you have referred from somewhere. So that's the what is etiquettes of research paper, right? So after finishing the first section, that is introduction, you can take the second section. Second section will always be literature survey. It is known as literature survey, or you can name it as related work, right? So in this, again, the reference paper which you have to study, you can one by one explain all the papers. Like suppose you take first reference paper, you can just put down the average approach in that particular technology on that particular paper, what they have told, right? What that refers to. Don't compare them, just put down what is reference 1 says, then again go ahead with the reference number 2, reference number 3. You write down all the references, about all the references what they have given. So after finishing this, when you finish up all references, you can just move up to the second section. Second section is done, literature survey. Now third section can be of your choice. Like third section can be it could be like issues in whatever you are putting. Suppose 4G technology is your topic, then issues in 4G technology. Or you can give the name as comparative study of the 4G technology, or whatever is your particular topic, whatever you have, right? So you can just put down like something which is coming from you, right? You've already done this literature survey. Now you can, third section should be coming from you, that what you learned and what you think about it, and how you see the technologies, how is your approach, how you think about them. That's it. So your words will come in there. You can tell like this 4G technology LTE is better than WCDMA, or this have this and this have this doesn't have. Or you can simply put like advantages and disadvantage of or issues, or what do you say, comparative study you can give if you want. If you don't want to put more, you can just name it as comparative study, right? And then you can just write down okay, that first reference number 1 has this, but second reference is much better, or it is having it have some issues, or whatever you want, right? So likewise you can do your comparative study. That is your third section, right, after literature survey. Then it's almost done. Then fourth section is of your choice. If you need to do something else, or if you have some other section to do, or whatever you want. If you want to put up some case study or something, like you want to study something, or sorry, you can just case studies you can take, or anything else if you want to include in that paper, which is your analysis, right? That you can put down as fourth section. And then the final section, that is reference section. Sorry, not reference, conclusion. That's it, conclusion. You just write down, okay, we have studied this all, and then I feel like particular this technology or this approach is better than others. And this is the thing, you have to justify your point, right? You have to give the reason why you are telling which technology is better, or what is wrong with that. So you can put the conclusion in 8 to 10 lines, and that will be done, right? After conclusion, just you have to write down references, all of the references which we have started with. Reference number 1, reference number 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a particular format how we write it, so that you can see from the, I'll send you some papers. Then in those papers you can just see how it is written, how the reference papers name is, how they are written. That's it, nothing. That's not more important. you just wrote down all you can just write down all those references. That's it. So this is all about the review paper or study paper. Other type of papers are actually dependent on the projects. If you done any project, you can write a paper on that, or if you got some proposals, you can write down a proposal paper. As well as the best paper is actually, it depends on the project, right? If you do some innovative projects, you can write paper on them, and those papers are like, if your project is very good, the paper will be good, right? Can be accepted in very reputed international conferences or anywhere, right? I'll tell you where we can put down, right, if your paper is really good. But for review paper, you can do it, no issues. You can start with this. It's very simple. Just have to put your views in that. That's it, right? Thank you so much. Bye.